Daddy, my hair is itchy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to work on a post-wash day twist out hairstyle. It's been about 2 days since we did the bantu knot, so the hair's a little dry. Right now I'm just re-moisturizing with some oil. We're not going to add any water or anything wet because we don't want the hair to shrink. We want to work on it in its stretched state. Our hair loves moisture, and that's what we have to give it. Work your way around the head to make it as fluffy as possible. Now we're going to go in and tease the hair from the roots with a wide tooth comb or a pick. The objective of doing this is to make all the parts disappear. Continue opening any coils that is still twisted. This is optional, but you can use a little gel to refine the edges and brush the baby hairs back. This gel seems to go on white, but it disappears after.
Daddy.
Add your favorite headband and fluff.
The head up there.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
no one likes it too pokey.
You can play around with different headbands for different looks to see which one is best for you.